Hi guys, my name is Lelasophia. I am an artist and fine jewelry designer. If you like contemporary fine jewelry, if you like luxury handbags, all things New York City and art, then I have some fun videos for you. You guys, I think I've just gone ahead and spoiled it in the thumbnail. I am dying to show you. I am literally over the moon with this most recent purchase, okay? I'm unveiling my newest secondhand old Celine Phoebe Philo bag, and you guys, I cannot wait to share all the details. But first and foremost, if you guys are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you in all of my future videos. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Lelasophia Jewelry. I put up videos 3 days a week, and so I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Okay, we're just jumping right into it because your girl's too excited. Did you see how red I just got? That is sheer excitement. As we know, the spring-summer 2026, is that correct? Celine show by Michael Ryder quite literally just dropped about 3 weeks ago. That show premiered. And the talk of the town, the bag on everybody's lips, is going to be reissued, aka we are anticipating its new launch, is of course none other than the Celine by Phoebe Philo Phantom luggage tote, okay? I would say specifically the Phantom, the largest size, aka I believe, I hope if somebody is like a true Phoebe Philo old Celine stan, please correct me down below. I know I'm going up against the best of the best, but I believe the largest size is actually called the medium. I think that's how it worked. But specifically the Phantom is the largest winged out size, and those wings just got a major upgrade by Michael Ryder. The show was absolutely incredible. The styling, I would say, maybe even trumped it all. And for me, the bags, I think, were absolutely incredible. I think we all probably had a collective clutch pearls, true gasp moment as soon as we saw the first reissued Phantom come down the runway, okay? This, ladies and gentlemen, is my original Celine by Phoebe Philo Phantom luggage tote that I got, I believe, 7 years ago. Time is flying, so it's kind of hard to believe, but this puppy was my daily worker, literally my work bag. I would fit everything in here. I often did a little, you know, very New York of me, I often do a little gym situation after I was working, so I would literally put sneakers in here. I would put an entire gym outfit, a huge water bottle, and then everything I needed for work. This is the Croc embossed. I'd say she's like, I've been calling her gray. I don't know, it's like a little taupey, but it's the two-tone, so I definitely see the handles as very green. I know everybody sees color differently. Mine is incredibly worn. I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you the back, but you know what? That just proves how much I've worn her, okay? Again, this was a true workhorse bag. Literally, she was my subway bag. Yeah, the inside, okay, we see? Just all proof that I've worn her a lot. The inside is kind of disgusting. And actually, my friend Moon really cleaned up the bottom so much. I think something just dropped. If you heard that, it was probably a little card or something, but the bottom, I definitely may or may not have somehow like gotten it really disgusting and dirty, and she really cleaned up the bottom. Thank you, Moon. And so this is my OG. Okay, she's been in my collection for a long time. I think when I got my dog, I found it really hard to take a gigantic tote and her to work. And so I switched to a backpack, but she's grown now, you know what I mean? I don't need to constantly be picking her up. And so this could totally 1000% be added back into the rotation. And then in true Lelasophia fashion, you know, like all of us, shout out Dakota, because I just have to, because literally this must have, I'm like trying to think back, this must have been the day that the show dropped. You were like, impulse bought a Celine by Phoebe Philo Phantom luggage tote, and I was like, Dakota, I'm really tempted. What do I do? And so essentially, literally, I think like within the first 48 hours, I already was obsessing. I already was searching. I know I said let's just jump right into it, but this is also important. The only other bag I really thought of, then shout out again, our dear friend over here, Mary, from Mary's Room. Literally, we clearly had the same thought process because I talked like immediately after the show released in one of my videos that like, yes, the Phantom luggage tote is the obvious choice, but have we seen the knot tie tote or tie knot tote? I still don't know what the correct order is. The knot tie, oh my God, is also so stunning. I think comes in a similar range of sizes from like kind of medium everyday to like quite large. And I hope I'm not spoiling this, but on Mary's Instagram, I believe that she just got one. And so I was like, oh my God. There was a 48-hour period where I really debated, do I want the tie knot or do I want another OG Phantom? I kind of almost got away from the idea of adding another Phantom. I was like, girl, you already have one. This is crazy. Found a bunch of the knot tie totes that if you guys want, I can send you links. And then sometimes this is why I always say we do have to just leave room for the magic, because all of a sudden I was like, no, there's absolutely no way. Somebody was selling an exotic Phoebe Philo for Celine Phantom luggage in the medium size for literally $600. I swiped my credit card so quickly. I said, this is mine. Oh my gosh, is this correct? Is this possible? This is a full python, which I will show up close, a full python. Celine by Phoebe Philo. How many times can I repeat that? Take a drink of water every time I say Celine by Phoebe Philo. Insane piece, okay? Literally, I kind of can't believe this. I just got this quite literally hours ago, and I'm kind of in shock. It's so cool because it's python. I gotta just show the up close details. Because it's python, it's so much slouchier. Like, well, I have a bunch of dust bags in here right now. Let me show you the true form, because it literally almost just like melts into a little puddle of like yumminess. And we know I love really worn bags. Like, look at the handles are so much floppier. And it can't be because of the, I mean, it could be because of wear. Let me not like say that I know all. I'm not an oracle, but my bag is so worn. And so I am like, didn't even know that the handles could soften up this much. I will just say that the exotic, something about even I think the lining maybe might be helping with the floppiness, because it's like a true, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, I'm sorry. It's a true suede. The suede maybe mixed with the python. She's a floppy gal. We know I'm obsessed, okay? The second I took it out of the box, I was like, did I really? How? I'm not going to lie, I felt so bad because I can't believe I'm saying this on camera, but I totally like trigger bought this. Again, maybe it was like 48 hours, maybe it was like 36 hours, okay? It was very close to the actual like release of the show, or unveiling of the show rather. And so you know, the seller, like most people, probably was like, oh, that was a really crazy price. And so we talked back and forth for a little bit after I bought it. And so I wasn't sure that she was going to go through. I was like, honestly, low-key, I would completely understand. I will just leave it up to you if you want to go through with the sale. And so I felt kind of guilty. And then they ended up shipping it like about a week later. And then I got this through the eBay Authenticity Guarantee program, which I love. I've talked about so many times on my channel how much I truly highly recommend it because it's amazing. I've literally gotten a personal phone call before from the eBay Authenticity Guarantee office being like, hey, like, do you want me to send you some more photos of this? Like, I think it's like a bit more worn than they said. Like, you can decide if you want it or not. Like, what? I think my arm is getting tired. She's heavy. She's not as heavy as my other one, but let me adjust. Long story long, as I always say, I trust eBay Authenticity Guarantee so much, and they do such an amazing job. And so I always feel really good. I got my Hermes Kelly through that, you know? They're incredible. And so the seller, long story, again, let me get back to the point. The seller took about a week to ship it. I was like, let go of the expectations. I was like, it's totally okay. If it doesn't end up going through, I'll get a knot tie tote because that would also be so gorgeous. I thought a couple times, I wonder if my mom would like a small one. I need to have a discussion with her. They're so cute. And then the eBay Authenticity Guarantee process, not sponsored by the way, just love it. Process took maybe about a week, something like that. And then essentially as soon as they shipped it to Jersey, I'm in the city, it came like quite literally the next day, and she is here in my home. It's like a little bit darker than I thought, which is kind of like the coolest thing of all time. I'm really, 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 really obsessed. And I was feeling guilty probably the first, like right after I bought it and maybe like the last couple weeks while I was waiting for her, because I was like, again, girl, I never duplicate bags. Maybe I'll sell my original. But then as soon as it came and as soon as I got to see them both next to each other, they are really different. And so at least until the new one releases, literally in almost a year, hopefully less than a year from now, I think we're gonna keep both, do a lot of styling sessions, talk about them, and then honestly, I cannot wait to see when the new, I guess we don't know exactly what it's gonna be called yet, but let's go ahead and say the new reissued Phantom tote is gonna come out. I can't wait to like literally take mine to the store and compare and contrast. What do we think of my two babies, okay? The OG in my collection and this gorgeous hunk of yummy python, okay? I'm dying to hear your thoughts. I can't wait to hear everything. Do you guys have one? Did you guys trigger buy one like me? I can't wait to hear. Thank you as always for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.